In our first session, we looked into enabling the offline help for WebFOCUS. So now that we're running our offline help, we're just going to do a little tweaking of the element. So having our offline help, I still have two things here. I have the download help, which I don't want people doing, besides the fact it's not going to work. So it's not going to show. So I want to get rid of it. And that classic homepage here is going to go back to the online help as well. So I might want to change that one as well. So, okay, so let's go for that one. So to do so, actually, we have to navigate to the folder. So it's in the IBI help, RS, resources, scripts. And in here, there's something called landing page JS. So if you open up that one, in here, you're going to find those elements. So I can get rid of the survey in here. I can get rid of the download for offline use. I can get rid of that redirect thing in here. So let me get rid of the download. And actually, I want to get rid of that one. But actually, I want to reuse that element for different purpose in here. So going back over here. So in here, I'm going to steal that URL in here. So I'm going to stay with my values in here. So I'm going to use exactly what I have in here. So I'm going to keep most of it, but I want to make one specific change to that one. So actually what I want to change, let me quickly go to that one. So let me get to that one. So we want to keep it as it is, but we want to change something in here. So, okay. So let me go for that one. So I want to keep the elements in here. As I mentioned, we're going to keep it, or we're going to keep that link intact. So we want to use it. So instead of using that redirect to classic homepage, I'm going to keep the target, but I'm going to change the URL. So I'm going to insert my YouTube channel in here. For the title, we're going to use this one here. And for the text, we're going to go for this one here. So save it. Important. Go back to our help. So that's what we had in here. So important is, of course, clear the browsing cache. So we're going to clear the cache. Go back to my, let me close those windows here. We don't need them anymore. So there's my reporting server help. Let's refresh it. So now the download is gone. And there's table file Patrick. Of course, I'm online, so I'm not getting there, but it would work. So I could use it to link to an internal site as well to get some information on the help in here as well. So easy way to tweak the content of that start page here a little bit, to enter reference to your internal help that might contain some references about your environment, how to contact your administrator or whatever you want to. So things like that. Download might be a better place in replacing it with something more useful in here. Thank you for attending.